What up, though? Adrian from Detroit with beingthechangellc.com, bringing you chapter 5 of our wealth creation tips series. Let's jump into it. Building wealth from nothing. The secrets of understanding money revealed. Chapter 5, awareness. How to create wealth in your life. Now, have you ever stopped to listen to the market around you? The final step of this equation to wealth is finding a scalable solution to the problem. Now, your solution needs to affect the magnitude of people. Starting a restaurant is not scalable. But if you're constrained to the local area and the footfall of that area, but a franchise, that's more scalable. If your solution is a piece of software, for example, now when the software is built, you can scale it infinitely online without needing to worry about things like shipping costs, production costs. It's all done digitally, online, using affiliate marketing and understanding how marketing works and how to be a brand ambassador for yourself. Find a problem in the market, provide a scalable solution to that problem, and the odds are you're going to be successful. If you're looking for a true infinite scale, now, good luck finding it in a job. Good luck there. But sure, you might be able to make a decent living wage working 40 hours a week and then maybe but you'll only be able to generate income while you're working. Now, once you stop working, your income stops. Just because you start your own business and get things going doesn't mean you've achieved true scale. Now, if your business is based on scaling up one commodity, that requires your time to produce. For example, teaching yoga class, right? Then all you've done is disguise your old job as a new business. Okay, stay with me here. There are only so many yoga classes you can teach in a day. So your income is still time bound. The key to achieving true scale is to create solutions that can run 24/7 without your constant involvement. Creating an online course, setting up a blog where people can check it while they're still sleeping, that runs while you're sleeping. Understanding affiliate marketing and how it works, maybe developing a software application that can be used by anywhere in the world. When your solution is scalable, that's when you start to see the real benefits of owning your own business. Automation now plays an important role in achieving this scale. Now, if you don't have automation, you'll have to do it yourself. By putting systems and processes in place, you can free up yourself up from the day-to-day grind and focus on more important things. Artificial intelligence helps you trade your time for production. Thank God for AI. So if you're serious about achieving infinite scale, make sure your solution is truly scalable and automated. If you've ever found yourself in a position thinking, I could do this better, you're in the right mindset for starting your own business. That concludes our chapter 5. Watch chapter 6 next here of our series, Contracting and the Importance of Building Wealth. For more wealth and travel education resources, please visit cccelevate.com. Subscribe to our blogs, rudyratings.com, as well as beingthechangellc.com. And we're here to provide additional information to help you obtain the goals that you need in life. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this chapter in our series and continue to be the change in your community. Thank you.